Hello everyone, my name is Detangle aka Tasha, and I'm shooting my very first YouTube video. Basically, if you're at the title, I'm gonna be snipping these bag ends. It's the beginning of 2020, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna start off fresh, you know, new year, cutting off negative energy, negative bad ends. Sometimes I do it when my hair is in its wet state, but I'm gonna do it today on blow dried hair because, sorry if I keep looking that way, the mirror's right there. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing it on blow dried hair so I can trim off as little as possible. I just deep conditioned it so that I can put as much moisture in it before I suck it all up with this blow dryer. I have nothing in it right now. I'm just gonna go in with this Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner. You can see that because it's very light and I don't want anything too heavy on my hair when I blow dry it. I really do like the Aussie line, like their products are just the truth, nothing but the truth. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm about to start blow drying it, so I'll probably speed this section up. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Honestly, this might turn into more of a cut than a trim because my ends are really bad. I don't know, I just feel like I could do better. Honestly, I'm not too afraid of cutting a lot because I know my hair is gonna grow back. Like last time I did a major cut on my hair, my hair grew right back and we're right back here around booby length. I'm gonna take little sections because my hair has a lot of layers.
Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM.
I'm gonna take my handy dandy rat tail comb and just comb through it. Ooh, ooh. You can see and feel where you need to cut. Like, it starts to get a little like hard to comb through it a little bit, and then you can see where it's like wispy. So you want to make sure you have like hair shears, like actual shears. I bought these literally just the other day for this sole reason, because the last ones I had, they were pretty old and they had a little rust on them. Maybe I shouldn't have said that, but it's true. These are really cheap. These were like $5, but they're pretty sharp. I'm gonna stop talking and just kind of show y'all how I do it.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Well, this is the final look. You know, I could have trimmed a little bit more, but I'm gonna do this for now. I didn't cut too much. We still got, we still got some length over here, but it was well needed, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. Thanks for watching. Bye.